everyone. So today we're going to be going a little old school. I pulled out the old blanket and everything. Unfortunately, with as far as I am in my pregnancy, I can't really sit in the chair at my desk too well. So I haven't really been able to film, but I wanted to get this video out for y'all for the September Lace and Whimsy box. And so camera's going to be a little shaky. The audio might be weird. Oh, excuse me. But we're going to make it through. I'm hoping that I can get this video out. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get any more videos out before the baby gets here. And of course, we're going to be taking a little time. Actually, I think I will try and get another video out before, because I do have some cool things coming in. So we'll just see how it all goes. But anyway, as you can tell, this month's theme is called Witchy and Kitschy. And so I'm going to go through everything in the what I call the original box, and then after that I'm going to go through the Luxe bonus items. So let's get started. All right, so here, first thing that I see is the Ephemera pack. So just judging by the colors that she's got in this box, I think I'm going to love it. So we've got a bunch of little musical rabbits and a little cameo kitty cat. I've never seen her draw anything with little cats or anything like that. That's really cute. And then looks like we got a little ticket stub. And I love when she puts these little frames in here. That's going to be a nice little addition. Got another little ticket stub. And then this one is actually printed on photo paper. So this is actually very fitting because our fair actually comes through in September. I don't know about y'all, but our fair comes through in September. But unfortunately, I have no idea how all of that's going to be handled this year with COVID and everything. So we probably won't even be able to go this year. Then we've got our psychic reader printed on photo paper. We've got a nice little candle display on the glossy photo paper. And then looks like a window with okay, that was upside down. A window with some, with the tree branches hanging down, really pretty. We've got a little doily. I love having doilies. I actually probably should just go buy a pack of doilies, because you can really do so much with junk journaling. You can, I've actually laminated these and made pockets out of them before, just to have a really pretty decorative pocket. There's so many things you can do with doilies. They're so fun to play with. And then we've got this gorgeous butterfly. And he's kind of like a navy blue, grayish, kind of a dark slate color with yellow moons and stars. More prints on photo paper. I love the color theme. Absolutely love the colors she chose for this month. They're still like pastel, but they're like dark pastels. So they're very much in line with her theme of having a lot of pastels, but they're just darker this time. I love that. Okay, so that's all the Ephemera pack. Here you get a beautiful, nice postcard printed on her really thick cardstock, and it's got like a matte finish and a little bit of a texture to it. Really, really good quality prints here. And then the sticker pack, we have got a holographic sticker. I love that. This is definitely going to be going on the little thing that I have coming in later this week. Then we've got another glossy sticker. Looks like a little print with butterflies on it. And the butterflies kind of have a new meaning for me. The name that we chose for our daughter is Venna. And Vena means butterfly. I've always loved butterflies, and butterflies kind of have a special meaning for me and my boyfriend. So they've definitely got a whole new meaning, and I love them even more now. So this is the Mint Moonlight sticker set, all mint colors and beautiful. The Witchy and Kitschy #1. And we've got our Moon Tarot print there. I love that one. Ooh, lots of quotes. This is nice. I like that. And it's got kind of a watercolor background to it, so it's not just matte white paper. There's different variations of color there. That's nice. Then we've got Witchy and Kitschy 2. And then Seeing Stars. And then finally, for the box, we have one of her amazing candles. I've gotten several candles just in the time that I have been subscribed to Lace and Whimsy. And let me tell you, every single one of them have been burned. And most all of them, I think I've got maybe just a few left. They've been completely burned. Oh, this one smells amazing. It smells just like banana bread. And I love the detail that she puts into these. She puts the beautiful flowers, little crystal chunks, glitter, all that good stuff. And seriously, the candles are so good that really you can just leave them open like that, and it gives off a really good scent. She is really, really good with candle making, and even some scents that I was kind of iffy about, I've really enjoyed from her. So I definitely trust whenever she puts candles in her boxes. So that is everything that you get in the regular Lace and Whimsy box. If you are a Luxe subscriber, here are the items that are in the Luxe part. So the first thing that I had here, this was the entire Luxe sticker pack. So you get the sticker sheets as well as the loose kind of, oh, excuse me, the loose flake stickers. So we've got a lavender piece, and it's a glossy. Then we have a gorgeous, oh, I love this color. A gorgeous, like a darker, little bit of a burgundy butterfly with the mint moons and stars. Another size of the slate moon and star butterfly. A mint version of her original butterfly. This is the butterfly that I've seen her use for, this is like a running theme for her. And then we've got a more, whereas this one's like a mint, this one's more of a green, more of a yellow tinted green. And then looks like a pretty little wall hanging, little macrame wall hanging. And then another photo with a frame. And then another one of the butterflies with the frame, but this one is a purple version. And then another of the gorgeous holographic butterflies. So it's like I keep one. With the Luxe sticker set, usually she'll give you another copy of the holographic sticker. So I am not, I'm not as picky about using them now that I get more than one, because usually, even with the stickers like this, I kind of use them as die cuts, and, I don't peel the back off, just so I can use them repeatedly in different setups and things like that. And then on the larger sticker sheets, you get a copy of the Moonlight Metamorphosis. So this one is chock full of butterflies, and it's perfect. And then we get another of the Witchy and Kitschy #1 sheet. Ooh, these are nice. I've never seen her put these in here. So these are new journaling prompts. That is cool. Is that one big sticker? Yeah. Oh, that's cool. That'd be a great addition for your bullet journal. And then you get a washi strip as well. That is awesome. That'd go great on a monthly or a weekly. Very cool idea. You get another of the Witchy and Kitschy #2 sheet. And another of the affirmations, which is nice. And then we get, let's see, this one's called Dreamy Nostalgia. So it kind of goes in with those ticket stubs and everything. Got a little vintage, a little architecture, some quotes, and just different little odds and ends there. I have those gorgeous burgundy butterflies. And then we get the Whimsical Washi and Weekdays. I actually just got done using one of the washi sheets in my bullet journal, so I'm glad to have another of these. These are really awesome. They're not quite wide enough, you know, lengthwise to go across a full A5 sheet, but there's definitely things that you can do to kind of like put a big sticker on either of the corners or just do whatever you can. You can use them as dividers, anything you want to do. And we've got some days of the week there. And then the last thing for the Luxe kit, you get another candle. And this one is hazelnut coffee. Let's see if I can get this one open one-handed. Try not to close them up too tightly. This one too smells phenomenal. Got the glitter, got the little florals, got the little crystal, all that good stuff. Man, this reminds me of fall. And you know, in all honesty, I'm really glad that now as it gets more into fall, we might get some pumpkin, but a lot of people automatically go toward pumpkin. I go more for like these kinds of scents. Mochas and stuff like that, you know, just really warm bakery smells. I love, love, love. So yeah, I'm really glad that she included both of the candles. It was kind of unexpected. I saw on her Instagram that she was adding a candle in, but I kind of thought it was going to be like it was in one of the last boxes where you got to pick either or. So I'm super excited that she added both candles in. So this will definitely be, once Mama is able to get on a regular schedule and back in my desk planning, who knows how long that's going to be. Yeah, I think it's going to be a while. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and welcome to all the new subscribers. I'm super happy that you're here, and I have been going back and trying to read comments and respond as I can. Sometimes my notifications let me know, sometimes they don't. You know how it is. So anyway, thank you so much for, again, watching the video. And I will talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.